Hello, we are going to be using floorplanner.com. This is a really cool app because you can just basically create any plans that you already have. So I'm just going to go here. You're going to log in if you're not already. Okay, so what we're going to do is I already have projects, but if you don't, you're going to go over here to projects, create project. Okay, you're just going to name this dream house. You're just going to push start. You don't have to worry about any of that. Okay. What you do is you're going to do an empty plan because you don't want to do any of these two things because you already have your plans. You're going to start off by drawing a room. You're going to take your mouse and just drag it down. Do you see how the border is really thick? When you go to draw a room, you can change the thickness. So I'm going to change it to 2 inches. Anything that you don't like, you can push back arrow and it'll get rid of everything. I'm going to redraw this room with 2 inches of my wall height being 9 feet. So I can just draw the room like that. If you want your room to be 20 feet, for instance, you can change it and put 20 feet. Make sure not to do 20 inches. You want to make sure that's feet. This doesn't really matter for now. And you can also change it on this side. Okay, now, once you're done with that, oops. You are going to add another room. So you're just going to keep drawing rooms. Basically, you want to come up. So where the two lines come together, you're going to draw the room. Okay, now once you come out, you want to make sure you're naming the room so you can just click on it. Going to make it a house, and then you're just going to make it a living room. Let's say I wanted this to be a kitchen. Kitchen. Okay. Basically, you're just going to keep doing this. If you want to just add a wall, you can go back over here to build. You can just push draw wall. You can pretty much make a line anywhere that you want, and that will just be your wall. And I can take that one off. But yes, you just want your wall, you can just push draw wall, and you don't need anything else. If you want the room to be 3D, you can go over here and click that, and it makes a 3D view of your room. If you want, you can add an object, like couch, for instance. You can take the couch and you can drag it and you can put it basically anywhere. Put it in the kitchen. If you don't want it to face that way, you can just click on the object. Click on the object and you can flip it or do whatever you need. Okay. If you want to go to a person view, you can also go to 3D and click person, and you can walk around using your arrow keys. But I would recommend getting at least most of it done before you start walking around in it. If I go back to my other projects, if I go back to I can click that. This is my other house that I've been working on, and this is where the person view comes to handy. You can go here and click person, and you can really walk around the house and see everything that you've created. And that's pretty much it. If you need to do any other finishes and stuff, you can just go from, you have to do all your work in 2D, but you can just go to finishes and finish it however you like. See you later.